Please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys the Charlotte Tilbury brow system. Now in her brow system, she has 3 products, and these 3 products came in a bundle for £57. In this brow bundle, you get a brow lift pencil, and it looks like this. It does come with a spoolie, and it comes with a pencil that is shaped like a teardrop or a water droplet. So this is how the pencil is shaped. So it's very fine at the top part and a bit thicker on the bottom part, just like a water droplet. Now I'm gonna show you guys how much product is in this thing without breaking it. So you do get a bit of a product because it's still going, and it stops right here. So this is the amount that you get in this brow pencil. Let me try and wind this down without trying to break it. And so you guys can have a close-up of the spoolie. I'm gonna show you guys strokes with this brow lift pencil, and to be honest, you do get fine strokes with it using this part. So I'm going at this angle, like how I'd apply it like that, and I am getting very thin like strokes. I do have the new Huda Beauty pencils in 7 and 8, so if you guys would love to see a comparison side by side, you guys could let me know down in the comments down below. But I kind of just want to dedicate this video solely to Charlotte Tilbury, and because I'm trying to do another look. So let me show you how these brow strokes. So I'm sure you guys have seen how the spoolie looks like on this Huda Beauty pencil. This is the brow pencil, very fine. Let me do strokes for you guys. Oh no! Oh no! So these are the Huda Beauty strokes on this side. So you can definitely see you're basically getting almost the same amount of precision on both. So this once again is the Huda Beauty, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury. So that is good. I won't even be rolling up this because you just saw that little piece just break off. So that is that. And then the second thing that came in this set is the brow fix, and this is the clear brow gel. Yeah, and this is the packaging with the Charlotte Tilbury logo on it. And this is the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel, and this is how the inside looks like. Then the last thing that came was the last thing that came is the Legend Brows, and this one has so this is where all the product is, and this is how fine the bristle of the so in the brow Legend, I got the shade dark brown. In the pencil, I got the color black brown, and obviously this is a clear gel, which is the brow. Even though I purchased all 3 of these for a discount, a bundle deal of £57, You can purchase all 3 of them individually. If you run out of any product individually, I think the one product that you may run out of very fast is definitely the brow pencil. You can definitely refill your brow pencil. Now, to refill the brow pencil, it comes to a cost of £13, which is it's a decent price. It's like £2 less than the Huda Beauty pencil, and that pencil I fell in love with instantly. So that is a pro right there, depending on which one you guys do like. Now, if you guys would love to see a comparison video, you guys can definitely comment down below, and I will definitely do that for y'all. But because I want to keep this full on Charlotte, so let's jump right into this brow tutorial of me using the new Charlotte Tilbury brow system. So to start with my brow, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow Micro Precise Tinted Brow Gel, and once again, this is what this really looks like. And I'm just going to take this first to brush up my brow hairs. I truly do love how small this product is, I can't lie. That brushed on the product quite easily, and it doesn't dispense too much product, so you can always go in with more if you feel like you need to. Please don't mind my brows that desperately needs some TLC, but just focus on the brows. The next thing I'll be taking is the Brow Lift Brow Pencil in black brown. And I'm just gonna make light strokes. The good thing about this, I do have full brows, so I don't feel like I'll be running through this product heavily or too quickly. But I'll show you guys how I'm filling my brows in. So that was super quick. And the last step in the Charlotte Tilbury brow system, I'm gonna take the clear gel. So once again, this is how it looks, and once again, this is the flying clear brow gel to my brows. I'm not entirely sure what it's meant to do for your brows, but I'm not gonna lie, I like how my brows are coming along nicely. My brows always look messy before they look somewhat decent. Everything pertaining to makeup, you have to trust the process. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean up my brows. Okay, so far my brows are still feeling wet after applying the clear brow gel, but I just pressed it down a while ago. Taking the brow pencil and just carving out a curve. So I feel like this brow pencil is very versatile if you want that thick, full-on pigments, or if you just want light strokes like the Huda. I feel like it's like a 2-in-1, so you can fill in your brows without running out of that product quickly. Huda one, so it's like a 2-in-1 to me. Anyways, just cleaning up my brows. So I have been going for the Instagram lightly filled brows, and this is what I achieved using the Charlotte Tilbury brow system. And I got to say, I do love the brow system. I do love it, and I have thick brow hairs, and the clear gel has dried up nicely. I don't see my brow hairs dropping down. I don't see my brow hairs dropping down because I do have thick, heavy eyebrows. Give me a bit of color to my brows because I'm not going for that heavy, harsh, filled in brow at the moment. And I am loving this brow clear gel because the only thing that I realize is when I legit push my brow hairs down is when it dried quickly, but upon application it did not dry instantly. So I would highly recommend, highly recommend it, because I do know a lot of people use a brow soap or brow bars or some sort, and if you are someone that's interested in these, I would tell you to go and purchase it. I truly love it. And if you're someone that's interested in the Huda, 1000% recommend. But once again, if you guys would love to see a side by side, please comment down below and I will get that out there for you guys.